We're constantly bombarded with images of bucket list adventures, exotic trips, extreme sports, things we should do before we, well, you know. But what if the best moments in life aren't on some far-off adventure waiting for someday? What if the extraordinary is hiding in plain sight right here, right now? The traditional bucket list, while well-intentioned, can sometimes have the opposite effect. It can keep us focused on the future, always chasing the next big thing. It can breed a sense of dissatisfaction with our present lives, making us feel like we're missing out. And let's be honest, a lot of it is driven by the pressure to show off, to collect experiences for external validation, not genuine joy. This constant striving can even lead to something called hedonic adaptation, where we quickly get used to new things and always crave more. So, today, we're flipping the script. We're ditching the pressure and the someday mentality. We're going to create an anti-bucket list. This isn't about doing more, it's about appreciating more. It's a celebration of the everyday joys and experiences we already have and a commitment to savoring them, to truly living in the present. What exactly is an anti-bucket list? It's simple, really. It's a list of the things you already love and appreciate in your life. The small moments, the simple pleasures, the everyday routines that bring you joy. It's a reminder to be present, to be grateful, and to focus on sustainable happiness, not just fleeting thrills. And importantly, it's a powerful tool to combat that hedonic adaptation, that constant craving for something more. There's real science behind this. Psychologists have found that focusing on the present moment, practicing mindfulness, significantly reduces anxiety and increases overall life satisfaction. Gratitude, actively acknowledging the good things in our lives, literally rewires our brains for positivity and resilience. And by consciously appreciating what we already have, we counteract hedonic adaptation, that tendency to take things for granted. Think of it this way. A traditional bucket list is often future-focused, sometimes expensive, and can ironically lead to disappointment if those grand plans don't materialize. The anti-bucket list, on the other hand, is all about the present. It's accessible to everyone, regardless of their circumstances. It fosters contentment, gratitude, and a deeper appreciation for the life you're already living. Ready to create your own anti-bucket list? Let's start with some brainstorming. Grab a pen and paper or open a note on your phone. Ask yourself these questions. What are the simple things that bring you joy? What moments do you cherish with loved ones? What are your favorite daily rituals? That first cup of coffee, a morning walk, reading before bed. What aspects of your surroundings do you appreciate? The sunlight streaming through your window, the birds singing outside. What are your favorite hobbies or activities? What acts of kindness, big or small, make you feel good? To help organize your thoughts, you might want to group your items into categories. This isn't essential, but it can be helpful. Think about categories like relationships, time spent with family, friends, or pets, nature, appreciating sunsets, walks in the park, gardening, self-care, reading, meditation, exercise, a warm bath, hobbies, playing music, creating art, cooking, experiences, trying new foods, exploring local places, and don't forget sensory pleasures. The smell of freshly baked bread, the feel of a cozy blanket, the sound of rain. Now the important part, write it down. Seriously, the act of physically writing down your anti-bucket list makes it more concrete, more real. It transforms these fleeting thoughts into a tangible reminder of the good things in your life. Don't worry about making it perfect. Just get it down on paper. You can even get creative. Use colors, drawings, or anything that makes it feel special to you. This is where the anti-bucket list goes from a simple list to a powerful tool for change. For each item, add a brief intention. This is a commitment to consciously experience and appreciate that thing. For example, if you wrote down morning coffee, your intention might be, I will savor my morning coffee each day, taking a few minutes to truly enjoy the taste and aroma. If you wrote down spending time with family, your intention could be, I will put away my phone and be fully present during dinner with my family. These intentions transform your list from a passive reflection into an active plan for living a more joyful, mindful life. Now, let's talk about how to live your anti-bucket list. One of the most powerful ways is to incorporate gratitude practices into your daily routine. This could be as simple as keeping a gratitude journal, writing down 3 to 5 things you're grateful for each day, or try a gratitude meditation, focusing on feelings of appreciation for the good things in your life. Don't underestimate the power of simply verbalizing your gratitude. Telling someone you appreciate them, expressing thanks for a kind gesture. You can even set reminders on your phone or use visual cues to prompt you to practice gratitude throughout the day. Mindfulness is another key component. It's about being fully present in the moment without judgment. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and smell of your food. Try mindful walking. Notice your surroundings, the sensations in your body, the sounds around you. Practice mindful listening. Truly listen to others without interrupting or planning what you're going to say next. And, crucially, practice single tasking. Put away your phone. Close those extra tabs on your computer and focus on one thing at a time. Remember hedonic adaptation? That tendency to get used to good things and always want more? The anti-bucket list is your weapon against it. Regularly review your list. Remind yourself of all the wonderful things you already have. Practice something called mental subtraction. Imagine what your life would be like without certain things you appreciate. This can dramatically increase your gratitude. And remember, research shows that experiences tend to provide longer-lasting happiness than material possessions. So focus on savoring those everyday moments. I challenge you to create your own anti-bucket list today. Start small and don't overthink it. Just write down the things that bring you joy, the things you want to appreciate more fully, and I'd love to see them. Share your anti-bucket lists on social media using the hashtag #anti-bucket-list-challenge. I'll be featuring some of your submissions in future videos and on my social media channels. Let's build a community of gratitude and present moment living. To recap, the anti-bucket list is about finding the extraordinary in the ordinary. It's about shifting your focus from someday to today. It's about cultivating gratitude, practicing mindfulness, and combating hedonic adaptation. Brainstorm the things you love. Categorize them if you like. Write them down. And most importantly, add those intentions to make them a conscious part of your life. The truth is, the most meaningful moments in life often aren't the grand adventures, but the small, everyday joys that we too often take for granted. So embrace the anti-bucket list. Embrace the present moment. Create a life you love now. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment below, and share it with anyone who might need a little reminder to appreciate the beauty of the ordinary. Thanks for watching.